representing the continent of Europe. Europe is a continent of art, history, and innovation, blending modern progress with classical heritage. It is also home to Vatican City, the smallest country in the world. Euro Island Academia, representing Greece, known as the cradle of Western civilization. Greece is famous for its rich history, ancient temples, and mythology. Carry on Top Bell, representing Ireland. Ireland is an emerald isle. It celebrates for its lush green landscape, Celtic tradition, and warm-hearted people. Its music and folklore bring joy and pride to the island spirit. Zero Evans and Goss, representing United Kingdom. The United Kingdom is the land of royal history, timeless architecture, and cultural influence. Elaine Isabel Entero, representing Spain. Spain shines in fashion, color, and reason. Famous for its romantic landscape,
Uy, dito.
Queen Nadia Valladares, representing United Kingdom. The United Kingdom stands proud as a country of innovation and heritage. Its people are known for resilience, creativity, and deep love for tea and tradition. Frances Adela Guzman, representing Sweden.
Wala dahil si
Isaac H. representing France. France is the art of art, fashion, and romance. From the Eiffel Tower to exquisite music, it captures elegance and culture that inspire the world. Kyra Samantha Ignacio, representing Italy. Italy is a land of art, fashion, and romance. From the British rose the romance of beauty, it captures the heart with its passion, creativity, and timeless charm.
Kung sa man si Spain, oy.
Belle Rosero Victoria, representing Denmark. Denmark is one of the world's most peaceful and happiest countries. It's known for its inclusive lifestyle of beauty, beautiful architecture, and strong sense of community.
Uy, yung naman ang si
Santa Claire Ortega, representing Greece. Greece is a land of ancient wonders and timeless beauty, known as the birthplace of philosophy and the Olympic Games. It shines with history, routine, and spirit of wisdom and grace. Joseph Aiden Lee, representing England. England is known for its remarkable history, literary heritage, and iconic landmarks. Ileana Louise Paez, representing Denmark. Denmark is famous for its fairy tale titles, cycling culture, and warm family-centered way of life.
Sabi! Uy! Sabi!
Earl Frederick Master, representing Germany. Germany is a powerhouse of innovation and culture. It's known for its castles, festivals, and precision. A country where history and modernity walk hand in hand.
Balik na dito, dito naman doon mo sa taas.
Liana Therese Rojo, representing United Kingdom. The United Kingdom is home of the iconic landmarks and literary legends. It celebrates diversity, creativity, and timeless royal Ila Senti Rendon, representing Spain. Spain is the vibrant land of sunshine, art, and celebration. Its traditions from fiesta to flamenco, making one of the most colorful cultures in Europe. Naya Indira Ramos, representing Spain. political parties list